Wi-Fi has come. Most of us use it, but don't know really a lot about it. But anyway, it's very powerful. And then we've got Bluetooth, the newer one. Not so powerful, but very, very useful. So, but that is communications, sound waves. We're going to show you communication. This is electricity. Supposedly, if I do it right, and now this room is too big, but I can take a wire and put it there, just like it's in here, around the floorboard, and I can take my electric piano and play it. This is electricity. So, and we teach that too. Okay. So on the moon, days are 2 weeks long. So when you land, which we're going to show you that, when you're down on the South Pole and you say, I want one of those tires off of the Apollo 11 because my vehicle's tire broke, you're going to send somebody with a drone up there to get a tire from 11. They're still on the moon. They're so good. Pretty vehicles. Tonight, by the way, coming here, my battery didn't start. So, it did. So you always need extra parts. So anyway, watch. This is what they have to learn, math and physics. So if you're inside and it's dark and you just ask for a tire and the guy calls on the phone and says, I just sent it to you, my drone just landed. When it lands, you look out the window and your drone's going to be blinking lights for you. Okay? But two things you have to know. One, right now we're only about that far. I can't send it like a radio wave. All the drones now, by law, have to have a radio signal when I fly it outdoors. And anybody with a cell phone can tell whose drone that is and who's flying it and where I'm at. That went into effect September last year. So, airport towers. Hold it. Okay, now, turn it on and turn it off. Okay, now you do it. Okay, now, this is where the learning comes in physics. No good. No good. This is where you have to learn where the power is, how it goes out, a radio wave. Our boy that's not here tonight has 3 radio licenses. He got them when he was 12 years old. Most adult males in this area can't get the 3rd one. So he also has a drone commercial license, and he's a senior in high school. So what we've gone over is basically the way they got there is by control. Okay? Then you need to be able to talk, communication. Okay? And we're going to show you control. Tad, where's Sam?
Tad, he's over there. He's ready.
Okay.
We're going to have Tad Fuller, who's in 5th grade now. She's already done this.